Look at that. They got the old school.
The Impala.
Wow.
Oh, and this too.
Wow, they're out in the
they're cruising.
muscle cars.
And this one too.
Wow,
oh, yeah,
cruising.
cool.
And this one too.
Wow, the old car club's out.
And then no.
Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Oh, it is a nice night for it, that is for sure.
If it was raining, this would be a whole lot different.
Oh my god, that would be crazy.
If it was raining, this would be a whole lot different story.
Jeez, look at that.
Huh.
Oh, here's another one.
Yeah. Trans Am.
Oh, here's one.
This is so funny. Look at these folks.
What are they waiting for? They're just videotaping everyone going by. That is hilarious.
This is
That
really
was my
funny.
idea.
Oh, there's people on the southbound too. It's all
Yeah.
jammed up.
And look, people are waving lights
Oh yeah.
from that building.
Should I get off at Western and go through Battery Street, or
Sure.
Take the long
I
way.
don't know? Thinking that might be slower. I don't know. We'll see if we can.
Getting off at Western.
Yeah. Well, this is the last time you'll see this view. Look at the ferries and the moon over there.
Oh, the moon's pretty nice.
The moon is cool looking.
It's like a goldish brown.
Although Sarah and I are doing the run.
Oh, that's true.
What run?
This is the last time lazy people
Last drive.
get this.
So wait, what? What run are you doing?
There's a run where you run, I think southbound on the viaduct up here.
Yeah.
And then you turn and you go into the tunnel and run back up in the tunnel. To the
Here are
Seattle
all the
Center.
old school cars.
Oh,
Here are all the
cool.
old school cars right there.
What are they waiting for?
They're just going slow.
They're just going slow, showing off their car.
Yeah. Smokey and the Bandit right there.
What?
It's a movie before your time.
What time is it,
it's like
Dave?
a party.
We're close. Yeah, it is. We're close to the. What time are we
I
at?
don't know. James, what time is it?
Do you have it on your Fitbit?
I had to take
What are these guys doing? Oh, here's more.
He's getting out. They're causing an accident. Look at these guys. They're just stopping in the road and walking around. Look at this lady taking her selfie. Oh my god, that's so funny. So weird. Oh my god.
Oh, man.
There's that guy. This is really funny. No, 27 minutes in.
What?
Into the drive.
And we're just about at the Ferris wheel.
Let's see what these guys are doing.
Just hanging out. This is the thing to do.
That's crazy. gonna wait to get kicked off, I guess.
Yeah, they're not going down without a fight. They want their viaduct.
Should we do that?
This guy's
No.
even turning his lights off. Parking.
It's so weird.
That guy's got a couple beers
Yeah,
out.
they have a couple of beers. Jeez.
It is. It's like a big party.
It is. It's crazy. I'm surprised there's just not a cop up here, like, moving people out. It seems like it's definitely a hazard.
Then no cops wanted to do the job.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to do this job of moving people off air.
Hey, just hold your hand on it.
No, that's highly annoying. They love the viaduct. These guys love the viaduct.
Oh, there's Northwest Barricade. I think we timed it correctly. Look, there's the Barricade Company.
They're not going. They're not budging. They're locking in.